Okay, these are so good. These are most helpful at our vacation condo where we can't run a dehumidifier because we're not always there. And the thin walls here collect a lot of humidity. You can see all of the ones here are full and need to be replaced, so that's what we're doing today. These ones we recorded filled up after 42 days, but it's summer right now. We're not here often to run the air conditioning, so these fill up quicker than our bags at home. Now replacing them couldn't be any easier. You simply take it out of the sealed bag it comes in and hang it up anywhere you'd like. That's all there is to it. You can see this bag in my bathroom has started working in just a week. They don't normally fill up this fast, but since I put it in the highest humidity room in the entire house, it's activated quickly. So we also have these in our basement and bedrooms. How these work is actually pretty impressive. These moisture absorbing crystals in the top part of the bag work by attracting and trapping excess moisture from any humidity in the air. So the crystals absorb the moisture and gradually dissolve into a sort of liquid brine or saltwater solution. The moisture is kept inside these crystals inside the pouch, and eventually they drip into the bottom. So think of it as a dehumidifier without electricity. It is amazing. So happy to get rid of the musty smell in here. This box comes with 3 separate bags. Each of them lasts up to 60 days, all equipped with the hanger on top.